Our solar system. Our solar system consists of the Sun at its center, around which orbit 8 planets, including Earth, along with numerous moons, asteroids, comets, and other celestial objects. Each planet has its own unique characteristics. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in our solar system. It's a rocky planet with a surface that is covered in craters. It has no atmosphere, which means it can get extremely hot during the day and very cold at night. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size. It has a thick atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is also known for its beautiful clouds and is sometimes called the evening star or the morning star. Earth. Earth with its one moon is our home planet. It is the third planet from the Sun and is known for its abundant water, which makes it unique in our solar system. Earth has a diverse range of landscapes, including oceans, mountains, forests, and deserts. It is the only planet known to support life. Mars. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish color. It is the fourth planet from the Sun and has a thin atmosphere. Mars has polar ice caps, and scientists believe it may have had liquid water on its surface in the past. It's a popular target for future human exploration. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and is known for its massive size and powerful storms. It is a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has a famous feature called the Great Red Spot, which is a giant storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and is famous for its beautiful rings. These rings are made up of ice and rock particles. Saturn is also a gas giant and has many moons. One of its moons, called Titan, has an atmosphere and even lakes of liquid methane on its surface. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is an icy giant. It has a bluish color and is tilted on its side, making it look like it rolls around the Sun. Uranus has a system of rings and many moons. It's a fascinating planet to study. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and is also an icy giant. It is known for its vibrant blue color. Neptune has strong winds and storms, including the fastest winds in our solar system. It has a system of rings and many moons, including Triton, which is one of the coldest objects in our solar system. These 8 planets make up our incredible solar system, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. Like or share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Learning Point PK.